In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Optimus Futures in Tradingview. We'll walk through this step by step so you can place trades directly from your Tradingview charts using your Optimus Futures account. Even if you're new to Tradingview or to connecting brokers, just follow along and pause the video as needed. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can do this by typing the address into the browser bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in now, because you'll need an active account to access the broker connection features. Once you're on Tradingview and logged in, look for the option called Supercharts, or the main charting interface. This is usually accessible from the home page or the main navigation. Click on Supercharts to open a full-featured chart window. This is the workspace where you'll be doing most of your technical analysis and, after we're done, placing your trades. With the chart page open, move your attention to the lower part of the screen. You should see a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. This is where Tradingview keeps all its broker connections and paper trading tools. Click on the Trading Panel to expand it. If it's collapsed, it might appear as a small bar at the bottom of the chart, so you may need to click once to open it fully. After the Trading Panel opens, you'll see a list of available brokers and trading services. If Optimus Futures doesn't show up right away, look for a link or button that says Show All Brokers. Click on that. This expands the list and makes sure you're seeing every broker that can be connected. Now that the full list is visible, use the search field in the trading panel to find Optimus Futures. Start typing Optimus Futures slowly, and Tradingview should filter the list as you type. When you see Optimus Futures appear in the results, that's the one you want. Finally, click on Optimus Futures in the list and then select the option to connect. At this point, Tradingview will prompt you to sign in or authorize the connection with your Optimus Futures account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and once the connection is confirmed, you'll be ready to trade directly from your Tradingview charts using your Optimus Futures brokerage.